Looking to completely wipe your digital footprint and permanently delete your Discord account using your smartphone device? The mobile app interface layout makes it incredibly simple to erase your profile data securely in just a few taps. First, unlock your mobile device screen and launch the official Discord application. Look down at the navigation panel bar at the absolute bottom right corner and tap directly on your profile avatar icon image. Next, inside the User Settings Directory Index list structure, locate and tap on the option labeled Account Settings. Scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the main Account Management Dashboard window panel. Here, you will find a dedicated section for account modifications containing a bright red button option text link called Delete Account. Tap on it. If you own any active Discord servers, the system will show a warning prompt message box forcing you to either delete those channels or transfer their ownership first. Once your account is cleared of server ownership metrics, enter your current account password in the verification confirmation screen field, along with your two-factor authorization code if you have it turned on. Tap the final red delete button, Confirm Tool. Your account will be placed into a deactivated state for 14 days, after which all your private data and messages will be permanently deleted from the database. Make sure to like this safety video if it helped manage your digital account security, and subscribe to the channel for more direct tech guides. See you in the next one.